Okay, everybody, we're gonna play Game Beast today online. And it's been super long when I played Game Beast, and I'm not really good no more. Well, I used to be. I mean, Game Beast is like you punch people and try to throw them off the map. That and stuff. There might be new roles now I don't know about. You're like, I want a John Cena that I made. We're gonna play some games and see if there's some new role or something and punch some people. I think I know how to still punch and grab and fly. I think I heard there's like a new map like the like I don't know, yeah, I think there's a new update like the birds can like fly and pick you up now. Stuff. And I want to see that to see if it's real or not. I think it is. I hate loading. Stop. Yeah, Game Pass. Y'all want to download it if y'all have the Game Pass on Xbox or something. Xbox, you can get it for free if you have Game Pass. If you don't, I don't know how much it costs. If you have Game Pass, it's free. I said. I mean, subscribe and like the video if you like it. If you don't, you can do a thumbs down. Yeah. Like, I don't know. We all know. My favorite animal is a chicken. Oh my. Okay, I hope I don't die straight away. How do I do this? How do I do this? No, grab. Oh my, I just actually did that. Yay! Die! No. Wait, whoa. One. Allah! Oof. Bye-bye. Hello. You better wake up. Oh, okay. I won! I won my first game when it was so long I played. That's so easy. I did very anything. I guess we're gonna try to win this game. And oh, it's this one. The one of my favorite maps. I really like this map. Ooh. No. Why is everybody going after me? Don't go after me. Go to the kitchen. There's no little kitchen yet. Oh, yeah. Moink. Your front door. No. No! Okay, I died. Let's watch Mr. Let's watch Mr. Poop, yeah. If y'all want to. Let's watch all of them, really. I mean, this is all of them. They're all restful. Oh, okay. Good. Where's the other guy? Did he die or not? Can I still see his name tag? Is that a glitch? I think I'm glitching. Guys, is that a name or is that a word? Because something, I swear that's a name. Oh, y'all know, y'all can add me on my old account I play on Fortnite. It's called HappyWell 3261, I think. Or 62? I'll check. So, yeah, please subscribe. And listen about Gamer Go. Subscribe to him too, because he really wants some subscribers. Here we go. Oh my, okay. Am I green or am I red? I don't know. Am I red or green? I'm green, okay. If y'all want to know that y'all are special. No, poop. Poop, 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 poop. Don't kill me. I can't leave. I don't want to die by poop. That's just so rude to die by poop. Did I just save someone's life? I swear. Oh, wait. What? 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 Hold on for dear life. Where are you? Dear life. I need my dear life. You're my dear. Oh, never mind. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm sorry. Am I dead? I'm not dead. Oh, bro. At least he didn't win, right? No. Yeah, we're gonna try to win this game. Like what I said. At least
Mommy, may a people go?
Hey, sorry about that, guys. That's my brother. My baby brother. You probably saw from my first video I did. He looks way different now. Oh no! Watch that! Okay, if I can. Okay, there. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, yo, I think the birds do kill you. I think we found our true thing. Hey, get down up here! Hey! Guys, I'm up here. Nah. Oh my, I think they are trying to kill me. Oh, no. Okay, that was weird. Hey, Poopy! Poopy! Ugh. I need a bird. Dude, I'm trying to helping you. Really, I'm trying to. Okay, I think the birds are gonna attack me now. They're getting close. Whoa! Oh my! Why are so many birds? Why are so many birds? I think this is true. Definitely true. This has to be true. This has to be true, guys. Guys, this has to be true. Really. You only killed one. Hey! I want one of y'all. Boink. Oh. Nope. Don't judge how bad I am. Y'all probably better than me because I suck at this. If y'all play this. Oh my, the bird is trying to kill him or not? What was that? I want to pick up. Yeah! My bird! Oh, petty bird! Oh my. Okay, I think I got the bird's bad. How does the bird chasing me? I'm on. Ow. Oh, yeah, the birds do fight you. Help me. Okay, it looked like I was holding on to the bird here. You saw that other bird trying to hurt me, guys? Okay, that means that bird was trying to kill me. And that was bad. I already killed Poopy, I think. Yep, I killed Poopy. Bye-bye. I think this falls off, right, guys? Does that board falls off? Did I just died? Oh, no, you didn't. Okay. Grabbed on? No! Okay, he won. Oh, that sucks, guys. Yeah, I guess we can try next time. If we win next time, that's good. Like the video. If you can't, it's okay. If you don't like it. Here we go. Why don't hope I don't die? Because that might just happen like it would. Mr. Cowboy! No, that's not a cowboy. I mean, hey, Rhino. Rhino, I guess you're not playing. Oh, never mind. Don't say that he's not playing. Or just launch him off like Poopy. Hey, cat, I don't like cats, guys. I like only dogs. I don't like cats. Oh. That was so easy. Dude, okay. Thank you. No. No! Guys, we lost. Okay, he might have won the whole game. Let's see. Nope, he didn't. It's a 2. Okay, he has 2. I have 2. I mean, I'm green, he's yellow. And we're going to try to win this game. Okay, I'm going to kill Poopy. I'm going to kill Poopy. I don't like him. Poopy's annoying. I don't like him. Poopy! There you go. Poopy just died. Wait, I know. If you go all the way down here, this thing will just fall down and you'll die. You don't want to go down there. Oh my. Me and you, whoever wins this game. Dude, I could have killed that guy. I was thinking. Well, I could have, I don't know. I might have. Wait, no, Charles out. Yeah, I got up first. And I just got hit by him. Oh, I got knocked out. Oh, I won! Everybody, I won! Yeah! Let's go! Bye-bye! I guess bye, everybody. See you next video. Bye and subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you don't like it, just do a thumb sound. Thumb sound. There. I guess bye now. Bye-bye.